This secret platform is going to make you a millionaire within the shortest period of time. If you want to really start in this platform, just click on the link in the description of this video. It will take you to this place, then fill this form and then get registered. So I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can make money from this platform now. Once you get registered in this platform, this is where it is going to take you to. So you see the name of this platform, this is Lenta, and you can see each one here. So if you scroll down, you are going to see different people who join from this platform. You can see this commission notification. You see people have joined $1,000, $231, $1.5, $50, $21, and you can equally do this. You can equally make these withdrawals in this platform. Just stay with me in this video. Let me show you the step-by-step guide on how you can start making this money in daily basis. So the first thing you need to do in this place is just to come down here. If you look at this place, you see tax, you see team, you see VIP. Come to VIP down here. You're going to see different VIPs in this place, and you see VIP 1 needs 10 USDT, and if you want to join VIP 1, you need 10 USDT. This is per day. Per order, be getting 2.7 USDT, and daily profit is also 2.7 USDT. Monthly income is $81. So you'll be earning $2.7 daily profit in this platform when you join VP1 with $10, and you'll be making withdrawal of $81 every month from this platform. So this is awesome. This is huge. So I'm going to make $81 monthly with just your $10. So this is awesome. And if you need the VIP2, you need to join with $60, and your daily profit is going to be $15. Monthly withdrawal is $450, and this is awesome. If you multiply $15 by 10 days, you see you have made more than $60. So with $60 now, you're going to be making $450 every day. And if you want the VIP 3, you need to unlock it with $200, and you'll be making $50.01 every day and $1,500 monthly. This ranges from 1 to 10. So this ranges from VIP 1 to VIP 9, and anyone who wants to unlock, you go straight and unlock that one. So the higher the level, the higher the amount of money you'll be making daily in this platform. I've made a lot of money from this platform, and I'm going to show you how you can join now. So if you want to unlock VIP 1, let me use this for example. I will unlock VIP 1 now. Click on join. You see join here. So you see, are you sure to spend 10 USD to become VIP 1? Yes, confirm. So once you click this now, it's going to take you to this place. What you need to do is just to click on this copy now. Copy this wallet address and transfer 10 USD to this wallet address. See, make sure your deposit network is USDT Earn. Other network assets cannot be retrieved after depositing. So you are going to deposit this 10 USDT with USDT Earn wallet address. So copy this wallet address. I'm going to copy it now. I'm going to send $10 to this wallet address with any of my exchange. So I'll be using my exchange to send $10 to this account. So if you come down to me here, you see I don't have any money here for this account, right? So after I deposit now, come back here and proceed with this tutorial to show you how I earn daily from this platform. Okay guys, I've deposited $10 in this platform now, so you can see my total revenue here. This is my balance. So the next thing you have to do after depositing in your account is, remember, we have checked the VIPs. You can see that I joined the VIP 1, and you can see that it is now effective, right? Current status is VIP 1. So the next thing I have to do now is to come down to this home section here. So when I come down to home section, I'll scroll down here. You see that this VIP 1 is automatically highlighted because I've already deposited 10 USDT in this place to unlock VIP 1. So I'll go ahead now and unlock VIP 1. So as I click on it now, this is VIP 1, right? So these are the tasks I'll be doing every day to earn $2.7 every day. So I'll go ahead now and do the first task, which is the first one here. You see, submit. So once I submit this now, I'm going to earn $2.7. I'll click on this. You see payment successful. I'll come down to mine here. You see that I already have $12.7, right? Before I have $10, but after the task I now have $12.7. I'm going to withdraw $2.7 now to my wallet address, and I'll keep doing this every day, withdraw to $2.7 every day. This time I want to withdraw my money, I will just withdraw a whole money I have in this place, which is 10 USDT. So let me show you how you can withdraw to your bank account now. So if you want to withdraw, come straight to withdraw now. So you click on withdraw. This is the amount you want to withdraw, right? But first, you see, please add your withdrawal method. So if you want to add your withdrawal method now, just click on submit. So once you click on submit now, you see withdrawal method, add withdrawal method, click on it. So in this place now, you can copy your USDT wallet address. The network you are going to copy is the USDT wallet address. So I'm going to copy my wallet address now and paste in this place. So guys, I've copied my wallet address now. So I'm going to put the wallet address in this place. As you can see, this is my wallet address. So I'm going to put my transaction password. So after that, I'll click on submit. You see, suspect. So the next thing I'm going to do now is go ahead and withdraw. So click on withdraw. So put the amount you want to withdraw, which is $2.7. I'll put $2.7 here, and then payment method. is the one I have added. So I'm going to select the payment method, come down here and select the payment method. So this is a withdrawal method. I've selected it. I'll put my payment password in the second column, and after that I'll click on submit. Right, and you see application for withdrawal successful. So you can see now that this money has been deducted from my balance, and you are seeing here it's total revenue is 12.7 and it has been deducted. So which means it has been sent to my wallet address. So I'll go to my exchange now to know if this money has been credited in my account. So alright guys, we can see 2.7 USDT now have been deposited in my wallet address, which means they have credited me. So that's how you can withdraw from this platform to your wallet address. So then there are other ways you can earn from this platform. Apart from that, you can also earn from referring your friends. You can earn affiliate commission by referring your friends to this platform. So you can come down to team and copy your referral link and share to your friends. You're going to earn 10% commission from every of your friends deposit in this platform, and you can also earn from the second level referral and also third person referral. So you're going to earn a huge amount of money from this platform. So you can rush in and click on the link in the description of this video and get registered. But guys, don't forget to do your own research and know that everything about making money online are all risky. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next video.